Nissan's profit decline is remarkable, showcasing a staggering 99% drop that has raised concerns among consumers and industry experts. What does this mean for future investments? The troubles facing Nissan stem from an aging vehicle lineup that lacks innovation, particularly as the industry shifts towards electric vehicles and advanced technologies. How can they adapt to maintain relevance? Historically, Nissan built its reputation on affordable and reliable cars, but recent market share declines signal a substantial change in consumer preferences and increased competition. What does this mean for brand loyalty? Nissan's heavy reliance on fleet sales has led to diminished profits and market saturation, hindering their ability to remain competitive. This model contributes significantly to their financial instability. The absence of innovative hybrid and electric vehicles in Nissan's lineup has left the brand trailing behind competitors. This delay in adapting to market demands poses risks to customer loyalty and overall sales. Reliability issues, particularly concerning Nissan's continuously variable transmissions, have critically harmed the brand's reputation. This deterioration of trust drives loyal customers to consider alternatives. The Carlos Ghosn scandal has had a profound negative impact on Nissan's corporate image, resulting in a credit rating downgrade and raising significant governance questions. The ramifications of this scandal continue to affect Nissan's leadership and strategic direction. To stimulate sales, Nissan has launched bold promotional strategies, offering significant discounts and 0% financing on selected models. These efforts aim to draw customers amid declining sales. Despite attracting buyers through discounts, Nissan's profitability has sharply decreased, with many dealerships operating at a loss. This predicament poses serious challenges to the long-term sustainability of their dealership network. Nissan's market share has plummeted from 5.8% to 1.9% in just 5 years, compelling dealerships to reduce prices and ramp up promotions. This situation intensifies their financial struggles. Dealerships are struggling due to their inability to compete against stronger brands like Honda and Toyota, with many selling only half the volume of their competitors. Nissan's ambitious plan, dubbed the ARC, aims to introduce 7 new models by 2026 and refresh 78% of its current lineup. This strategy is crucial for restoring consumer confidence. In an effort to meet demand for new models, Nissan's production strategy seeks to ramp up output. However, concerns linger about the risks of overproduction given unpredictable consumer behavior. The company has set ambitious electrification goals, aiming for 60% of its models to be electrified by 2030. This aligns with industry trends favoring sustainable vehicles. To enhance competitiveness, Nissan might need to consider alternative strategies, such as downsizing its dealership network and targeting niche markets like electric microcars. Achieving cost parity between electric vehicles and traditional cars is critical for widespread consumer adoption. Many potential buyers remain hesitant due to the high upfront costs associated with EVs. The ongoing price war in the electric vehicle sector is tightening profit margins for manufacturers, forcing them to balance competitive pricing with the need to maintain profitability. The automotive landscape is becoming increasingly competitive, with both established companies and new entrants vying for dominance in the EV market. Innovations and differentiation are essential for sustaining market presence.